Hey guys, I just came in from work and I'm here looking at the mail, and I saw B's, I think it's his permit. I'm surprised he didn't like look at it and see it, so I'm about to surprise him. B,
what?
You don't check your mail?
No.
Move.
What?
Hi.
B, look what we was doing at last. Excuse me, man. B, what was he doing last night?
Hello, guys.
Yo, Russian. Stay up on the line. Let's say go around them.
Move.
So, oh, you can't.
But you always look at the mail. Why you never look at the mail?
I went to look at the mail. Give me something. I walk home.
I think they know what come.
Alright.
Say hi to you, vlog.
Hi, guys.
Guys, you wanna know something so funny? Like, me tell me something about perfect to know. Like, everything that I do or say about. Somebody, I'm talking. Oh yeah, who you was speaking?
Because I'm not talking over Canada.
Oh,
Mommy,
guys, hold
can you
on.
show the guy, the viewers, my room, house? Can you give them a tour?
No.
Why?
Guys, so last night I was like, yo, B, you need to do this damn $5 course so you can get your damn driver's license.
Yes.
So I signed up everything, we paid, but they wouldn't let us start the course because the document number is like on the photo ID. We only have his permit number that was like on a temporary or whatever. I was like, damn, like we can't start it. I'm boom today. It came in the mail.
Mommy, what came in the mail?
No, this says summary. It's probably just like saying that they got the evidence or whatever.
Yeah.
Come. Yo, pull your permit. Well, I see picture. We can't show you.
No,
man. Oh yeah, BF. So, why you still got your school shirt? Because what? You know when you're supposed to come in, you're supposed to have on. You're supposed to put on your night clothes or yard clothes. Yes or no?
Yeah, but still. Hello, guys.
B. Then can't see your picture.
Oh, Albany, the bunny.
Because Albany, that's like the.
Whoa, wait. Let me show something.
Sorry.
Let me show, guys. I want to show them something.
Don't put your hands on my phone.
Can I show them
Show
something?
them what?
Look. I want to show them how rich I am.
I get nothing.
I want to show
Come
them.
answer.
Look, I'm
Rich
rich. I'm not broke. I'm rich.
Can I see the photo? How it look? Let me see it, come on. Take it off so I can see it.
Yo, just show them this.
Just the picture, come on.
Mommy.
Yo, you know something like this, them not like it. You show it to
Mommy,
what?
unknown people keep on calling me.
Look for Mama, New York City.
Dad's gonna drive me. Dad's gonna drive me. Dad's gonna drive me.
Somebody.
Dad's gonna drive me.
Sorry, can you stop?
Without getting tripped
Sorry.
over.
Shut up. You do something there. And I just permit that I license. B.
Oh.
You have an American ID.
So
your field.
Let
me show guys.
No worry, yes, soon get your green
Guys.
card. Really nice cost. You think you're gonna finish the whole thing tonight somewhere? Huh? Yeah. Somebody's mad because I won't help them with their 5-hour course. Anyways. When I can't tell us we have more important stuff to do, like upload video for when we have 2 minutes left until the second vlogmas will be uploaded. Well, anyways, by the time you see this video, that's already uploaded, so make sure you watch it. But yeah, I had a last section on this, so yeah, good. It's about alcohol and stuff, and after that you're done. I don't know if you say you're mixed with me. Eh?
With Cincinnati driving and then wondering how severe the injury is to
You're rude. Anyways, midday I watched some football, guys. I actually been like into it, you know, American football, not soccer. But yeah. Morning, my lovely people. I know I'm looking a little rough. Oh, it's not even morning. Afternoon at 3 o'clock, no, or soon to be 3:30. But so guys, I woke up, dropped somebody off at school, dropped my grandmother off at work and stuff. Coming, I was just watching some shows and I had some Chipotle to eat, and like I took like an hour nap. I got up and cleaned the bathroom and whatnot, and now I'm waiting to pick up Samari, and I'm just gonna run to all these real quick and grab some stuff to make some spaghetti because somebody loves spaghetti and he been asking me to make some. But just want something quick to cook, and it's something that's easy for me to bring to work tomorrow. Yeah, cause every day, like when I'm like even like when I'm at like my real, I hate saying real job, but whenever I'm at my main job, I still like eat out too. And then like when I'm at the hotel, I order DoorDash. You know, DoorDash fees are like super expensive, and like it adds up. So the more I can cook and bring food to work, the better for me and my pockets. So yeah, I'm gonna make some spaghetti. I don't know what B's going to eat because like I hate cooking two different things. But like my grandmother don't really food on the spaghetti, so probably she look both something. Well, obviously, she had a lip bowl something, and then B can't eat from that. Yeah, he doesn't like the spaghetti. Like, you know, like, your pasta when we make, like, Alfredo, like, Rasta pasta, you would eat that, but he don't like a red sauce or deal with the spaghetti. But he would eat the meatballs, like, when I, wrap them up and make the balls, but not the grown beef. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know. I guess everybody is, like, a picky eater in, like, some extent or whatnot. And guys, when I was coming out the house, I saw a big, box on the front porch. It was B gift that we ordered for my grandmother or whatever. I'm like, and we got it from Macy's, so I'm like, why the heck did y'all send it in the box that the product came in? No, like for everyone to see like what it is. That made no sense to me. Like, why didn't you put it in a Macy's box? So I had to hurry up and put that thing in a damn house. But my grandmother don't come off until the evening time anyway, so I'll bring that upstairs when I come back in because I was in a rush to get to my... I don't even know why I'm rushing because his class supposed to be at 3:15. They like always the last to come out, like 3:25, damn near. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Aldi's, grab the stuff for the spaghetti. Then I'm gonna go in, cook the spaghetti, get ready, pick up my grandmother because she want to do her put a dent in our FIA Christmas shopping or whatever. And she have a lot of people. The lady have boats. I don't know the exact figure. But I come in like 20 grand maybe, but no, I think it's like about 11 or so. So she wanna go to the mall and find some stuff for them. She said last week she got Burlington and there wasn't nothing in there, so hopefully she can look in the mall and like get everybody out of the way. Cause guys, I love my granny dearly, but like if I go shopping with her, it's huckling. Like she just, I don't know what the word to describe it. Like she just, no, a 9. Like she buy bad. Yeah, remember I said that, she buy bad. And like she always like go back and forth like, oh this and this, and if she wanted something she's like, oh no I'm not. And then when she put it on she said, oh but should I get it, and then it gone, you know what I mean? Like she very indecisive. Yes, that's the word. She indecisive. And I'm gonna like shop with her. Me, me see, me get it, and that's it, you know? But mainly I've been doing like all my shopping like online. It's just like so much easier. And I forgot to huckling in a nice store and then one bag of walking up and down from store to store to see if this, you know, you can sit down and I comfort in their bed or you know on your phone or your tablet and just swipe. So
how was it, how was your day, Mikayla?
It's good. You know, extra see if they watch that right? Then just walk gone. I didn't know it's a good day here. My little cousin on somewhere and I see him class or whatever. And granted, like we all like live kind of near or whatever. So sometimes his grandmother like walk come for my little cousin or whatever. So yeah, like I'm like I'm there right there. So I'm gonna mind drop them off. Like it's really like 3 blocks over from me. But so I'm gonna just send somewhere if you go ask them if they want to ride. So yeah, sit in there, I come. I'm guys seasoning up my meatballs, jerk season, egg, hoda season, garlic, adobo, jerk season, blend up season, all-purpose season, breadcrumbs, yes. About to mix this, I make them in a ball and put them in the oven. Right, the balls are all done and made into the oven. They go. Spaghetti and meatballs are done. And I made some garlic bread, but boy guys, I made some garlic toast and then bun up. Like yo, the garlic toast is like so easy for freaking catch. Like you like look away for like 5 minutes, I'll move and burn. But we just scrape off the bottom because the next side's still good. I'm gonna still eat it regardless. So I'm about to eat this food, go get ready, and then head up on the road. B just gone from McGranny from work, so they should be here any minute. Think about the road test. Talk about it. You can't talk about big driver because what? Some more.
Because no people say them a big driver and them are not big driver. B.
So you're a big driver?
Yeah, I know. Granny.
You don't worry about your test.
Hear me no man. Hear me. No, let me say something to you. Why you have to take a stack away you do when you go do there something? Enough of things that when you see people that do it.
Don't mind the current background people.
You know really right, you know. Yeah, because no people drive, they move up before them put on you know, seat belt. They have one hand on steering. So enough little things there too. Yeah, get me I say? And then they fix them mirror properly and it's there. So
the reason he started talking about this is because I was looking to see if we could get his test scheduled. The next available date is this Thursday, the 7th. So I was like, oh, what, you think you ready? And he was like, yeah. And then my grandmother was like, then I'm busting a big driver. And then still convinced that top boss say they can't really talk about big driver.
There's something there.
No, but I'm trying to tell him, like, no, okay, yes, you can drive, but like, you drive for like a driving instructor is different. You have to like put on your seatbelt. You have to do stuff a certain way. You have to look back on
before
something
you move.
there, so you know. And you take your time, you know, take off for that speed.
Here next thing again, enough people don't understand. You see,
what?
It might look easier to feel something like that. I'm on the drive every day because you practice yourself. Maybe you do something when standard. And some of the time people drive a specific way. You drive one hand on the door, one hand on the steering.
You have to drive like I talk like
a
robot.
Drive like you literally a full. What you say now? Like you say, you have full focus.
But you have to drive like a robot.
You can't gaze, you can't do nothing.
No.
My phone can't ring and me grab it.
No.
You get me a second?
You can't even have your phone with you, right?
So that's why I tell you, say, you can't end up feeling no care how much you drive.
So you feel like you're that fast when you first go?
Yeah.
But no points taken off?
It's like okay, I mean first.
What?
No, you don't feel good,
No, me feel my permit, but whenever I feel my road test.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Man, so.
And you can only get like a certain amount of points taken off.
Oh.
Like the driving part. Yeah, they knock off.
But you only think more about Granny if I know so when you drive you like
I don't know.
Maybe you have a habit of doing something.
Wait.
So all that me I worry about.
Yeah, call him on first ox.
No, for what time?
I don't know. I have to go. Alright, we are finally going to the mall, guys. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
With me shop by the granny about this
Where every day you buy.
Kayla, you know Sally 50% gone from Pola already?
It's not my fault.
Granny.
You know your fault,
Granny.
How is it my fault?
Granny, everything you get up and blame people about for them.
Exactly. What she blaming me for?
You know Black Friday.
Guys, I didn't feel like going Black Friday shopping. I wasn't going.
Granny.
But if Mikayla didn't want to go, she said, Kayla, come on, let's go. Can you take me to the mall? But I take her. But I wasn't going shopping like on my own.
Yeah.
I didn't want to Black Friday.
Yeah. Half of selective items. I'm sure no said none of them sitting there with them say 50% off. You know want them.
Why? In a Pola?
I'm telling you.
You going there?
Yeah, but 3 times or 4 times.
Every item I'm 50%.
No.
After Black Friday. Yeah. Black.
We don't know.
Well, I wasn't there, so I don't know.
Johnny, you know what Polo has sale them time, eh?
Wow.
They have some look long sleeve shirt, but there's some thin one. They're thin, and I don't know who you are going to buy them before. I know a sales part.
Anyways,
the first thing, they have some white place them where mark all 70%.
I took my granny out mall so she can put a dent in her Christmas shopping. Yeah. Remember I told you guys she had about 15%.
When them up on 70% off, you don't want them there. So I tell her that.
Turn yourself.
Because I know you're not buy one jeans pants for $100.
I mean,
wait a minute, my girl, now, but for who? For people or for herself?
No, for you, eh?
Oh.
I'm
not buy for you, eh? If you pay adds up $100 times 15, that's 1,500 pound jeans alone for your picnic. Oh, more, some more. Guess and tell me.
No.
Where you want to go? Tell me first or guess? Guess first. Guess. Alright, we can walk. But now I walk with no wallet because I'm not buying nothing. I got my husband there, so we can't use your wallet. Hey, Sora?
My wallet lost.
Your wallet lost? Oh, guys, you know, I be losing wallet. Was it last week? And couldn't find it. He retraced all his steps on something there. Like, he was about to freaking cry. Like, he was going through it. Damn fool. I'm gonna tell him, don't even walk with like a portion of money in that damn wallet or whatever. But he still do it. So if that did last, that would have been fiend problem. He would have been out on a lot of money. But anyways, he found it. It had it was under the bed. So yeah. On the way to the mall. My parking lot full of people. Hey, which part you said should I go first?
I'm not getting nothing.
No, whatever.
No, I'm asking.
Granny, come pick me sitting. Let's go.
Granny, am I getting something? Yes.
No,
no,
it's
maybe what?
No, Granny.
What
Pick me sitting over there. So Tommy kids.
So you grab something as well.
B, stop it. Make Granny just get our grandkids them out of the way. You're not important. Right, Granny? Shanky not important. Eh?
Say.
Say. See, I picked them Granny I deal with. Oh, Granny, 60% off. No, that's what you want. 60% off.
What do you mean that's 60%?
What's all your feels look so you don't like deals or steals?
Granny, no.
Granny, B, you see our feels how she make out? We better go to this stuff. I'm trying to save her money. We mean I got to look at this stuff. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to help my grandmother. Remember I told you that my grandmother is difficult? We pick up this about time here. We go with this and she has a 1 dark on 1. Guys, this and this. And then you see them damn thing and she can go together, yes or no?
You think I can do about 5-16?
Yeah, about 14, 16. I told her to call her father and ask. B. Some more. This and this can go together, yes or no? Let me see him sitting. Stop saying almost, it's the same stuff. Guys, I get so frustrated. I'm gonna pick up and she just said, oh, this and that and it's highs. She said no appearance say at 12:14. We said Granny, they're not coming at 12:14, so it's either 14 or 16, but at 12:14 it's either you at 14 or 16. Like, why are you making it so difficult? I was like, oh god. I should put on, I should take up. She put on, I should take up. This I sit in your 2 deer, so she pick up a cheaper sitting and she said, no mama, I'll get the deer I sit in, cause like, make up your freaking mind. I'm easily frustrated people. Cause I know what I know. I'm in a fool. If I say something, you can just work with it. If you feel like it can't fit there, Granny, you get it. Alright, then you get it. So you just say a smaller pitney wear. And when you say at 12:14 the person wear, you say at 12:14 I go take up. So yeah, the girl tells you say small she wear and you're not take up small.
Yes.
An extra small that Granny.
Small, let me go extra small.
Yes.
Then can I be like this?
But if you work with what the people them tell you now that you have to take up, since you were so animate about it earlier. From you want to catch guests too. How you doing, B? B? Oh yeah, I do.
Huh?
How are you doing?
Toiling my way through the store with Granny.
Yeah, bad man. Huh?
I don't want to be like.
Guys, be like a burgundy, but me love our
Worst
pink
zip. Well, if you want to put them back and feel these things. But you know what's up?
Guys, my guy just PISSSS me off, you know. After her bill come to $450, right? And then I put in my account information with Tommy, so you know I'm a loyal member. I should get 20% off her whole purchase. So I said, okay, it come down to $338. So I said, look, they're gonna come down. So you're sitting the way you use. I said, I used it already. I know you're sitting. Oh, if I sitting, Granny, I know you're something. If it wasn't for me, then you wouldn't have got 20% off. She was like, so I will back home. I said, mine. I said, y'all back home? She said, no. Oh. I love my granny, but sometimes she says some stuff that just make me sitting there. Granny, you know like when I talk behind your back or whatever.
Yeah.
But all you said with the gear nothing.
But no, you ain't tell her nothing.
Granny, I put in my stuff. I asked you, do Tommy members have any discount? If you spend over $100, you get 20% off your purchase.
Yeah.
And I gave her my phone number.
Oh, me not even give her it.
So you know, she said you're saying come to $400, then went down to $338.
No, me did see it.
Yeah, you see it, but you just not rate me, but it's alright. And I'm me up and down with you and nobody else. Yes, woman, sit this on there. What's taking Shanky so long? What Shanky do? Oh. More on the store and get bakes and lift my damn husband. You okay, hubby? I'm sorry. I forgot you was buying a hat.
Again.
B. You want to tell anybody see? No.
Who?
Granny. Me tell her, you know, me say, here she laugh. Oh, but they do say, it come off.
You know, so they have some shirt like this in this up. The champion man.
But B, didn't we see champion at Macy's and you didn't take up them? No?
You know, like my clothes now.
I need to bring my camera out more because my hands is killing me.
Where's Granny?
In champion. What bottom?
Tell me about it.
Which one? It was a lot of them. Like nearly $50.
These are
That's the same price? Sweaters and stuff is expensive. So. Oh, these shirts feel thick-ish. I don't know if I think a woman. If I you're planning to buy me the buy, you know me, I like it. Hey, did you plan to get me?
You don't like this?
But I like the look of fuss sitting. It's not gonna make me look more bigger than I already am. Alright, let's go to guess. It's all about Granny, so we can't get our way back.
Camera?
You know what she said? Where's that, Granny?
No one care about tonight.
Oh. Come be. It's all about. Alright. My Granny change bag.
Wow.
Heavy.
Can I get a bag, please?
Yes, give me 1 second as soon as I'm done.
Okay.
No, Granny, if this drop it, I'll take you up in the store.
Yeah.
Take up a like kind.
Me not help her pick them up. Right now.
And time hard though. You got it? And time hard. Alright, so we just came out of Champion and should get 2 more suit for some peoples. So we want to see if we can try and catch guests. Do you have anything you want to say to the vlog? A long time didn't see you. How much grandparents do you have?
11 grandkids.
But then there's a babysitting where I come from. Yeah, if you're looking, I guess. You can go out Burlington and get like pin under those type of stuff. I don't know. Look at people that really wear clothes. They're like pin under that stuff they wear. Guys, we did have to walk where I left them. We're going to Timberland. We're going to wash shoes. She didn't want to buy one, get 150% off. I guess they had it for Black Friday or earlier in that month. The man said there are no discount. So we said, go and buy shoes. She said she have to go put it on there. To buy it next year when they have to buy one, get 50% off. I was like, what? If they don't have the sale, and you still need the shoes, you can buy them shoes. Sorry guys, we come in that bathroom. But yeah, if we need this stuff and the discount upon it, we sell it because I need it, right? No, I'm right. You know, now that I think about it, the eyebrow place is right across from the Timberland store. I'm gonna see if I can get it done, and if she has stuff to wipe this off, because I kind of did my eyebrows today. Hopefully she take Apple Pay because I ain't bring no cash on me. So yeah, now let's see if we can get them done. I just got the girls done and I look like a brand new person. Yes, nice. Guys, guess what? Michelle. Miss Ever going and I go buy something, but she buy it. Yeah. You have 2 more Oh guys, if you don't know about my granny love Kiarbuck. She love Kiarbuck.
If you mind, just skip. If you mind, skip it. Yeah, I care about.
Beast. 600 about $85.
So,
90.
and then 2 look over here, 85,000 that's something. We have another.
You know, I see on TikTok where say when Jamaican first come
They
friend,
wanna-
they
wanna-
check everything like in Jamaica first.
Granny, hear me.
Thank you, like that. Thank you, setting.
So me, you really come up friend and come check everything on Jamaica first?
Then you know if you check it, how you gonna know where you're there? Yeah?
After how many years I can stop to that?
As long as me live.
Oh, I carry the baby we won't pass.
As long as me live, you have to check it.
Outside I get cold. Being a cold. No.
But what me I say, Granny? 85,000 and a 2 look bag.
2 little bugs. It's sitting them there. B, guess what?
What?
I went to my mommy's house, so you know I still get mail there, right?
Well,
And I got 15% off from guess. What we have buy?
it's a fair business.
What we have buy?
It's a fair business.
You don't want nothing, I guess, but you know what?
Me no want nothing.
Give me 15%. Give me 15%.
I just feel our response more here. That's why I'm coming down here. After she style on me in a tummy, I show her my 15% off, and I guess.
Time for your birthday.
Gary,
Yeah?
Gary 15%.
What me tell us, you don't must know if you can get her, if you can't get her. And why they know that? You give her the sickness that I give you.
And then when she done, she send me a year.
A 2 still, a 2. A while ago you give him how much percent and he say you don't get nothing.
Exactly.
But don't you give me nothing? Let me shit
Like,
me
no, I'm
that.
at the holiday shopping. If you know, buy one, nuggets. Turn out something there.
Alright guys, so we just picked up some Mari from my mom's, so now we are on our way home. Alright my lovely people, so as you can see we came in, you know, we had dinner and then showered, and now I'm going to my bed. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog with my bad granny I'm on today. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Bye. B, you want to say goodnight to the vlog? Some more?
Good night.
Okay. Bye, guys. Change the plan, guys. We have to come out our house. I guess my uncle car must call and say and get right off, so they need a ride. So me and my granny and B come out. We're not even getting a location. I don't know where me I go. Cha-cha. And they just come out the house now. But people crazy. And that's it there over there, so Jaja. Mr. People, minimum know what's here. Alcohol can make somebody like that imperative. Let me know say you can't drink and drive. I mean don't say look how we get to you. But if you don't say you actually see it, I remember she believe I drunk yet to feel like really something. But she gotta be wasted. Yeah. So I guess it was a woman driving a truck or whatever, and I guess she was just like spinning, and then like my uncle tried to stop, but like she just like ran to the side of him or whatever. So if our car that ditch, his was on the side of the road. It was the woman, she admitted to the police that she was drinking, right? So they did like a field test on her, sobriety test. Like, yo, we saw her like trying to walk. I didn't want to video record because like I didn't want to like get in trouble or whatever. I know. Me like we're afraid of police. Logs plain and simple. Like, you know, they probably say, oh, can't be doing that or whatever. Like, so I just try to avoid conflict. So I didn't video record it. But like she couldn't even walk. Like she was like falling back, stumbling, like she couldn't walk straight. I was like crazy. Like I was just like so shocked, like actually seeing like somebody that wasted to the point where they can't even walk straight. I was gonna make it worse. Then try if it makes she balance my one, it got dropped. She dropped. She couldn't do it. And then they just put handcuffs on her right immediately. It was like she's getting like arrested for DWI. I'm like, yo, like people don't say enough to drink and drive. If you're gonna be wasted, sleep in your car and sober up a little bit before you try to attempt to go home, or call a friend, or call a taxi. Something. Don't do it, because suppose my uncle was never that lucky on like something like doing or whatever. Suppose they did have been pitting them in a car. You know, kids can't manage like suppose something to do there. Like, you know, people need to think about what they're doing. you can't think about yourself. You have to think about the other people on the road. That's why B always tell me say. But what you mean to say like you have to drive like with other people like you know you just can't say oh you have a right to it. You have to watch other people because some people not think like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, that care there. Don't fall. What you say, B?
I live me right. Me have to look.
Yeah, for real. Because some people not cautious at all. So yeah, they about to tow the car. The gal got a night police car. So yeah. Wait, so it not go up on one sitting?
No, man, I told them to wait.
Oh, so the car gonna still be driving? Oh, I think I said
No,
one like
no,
go up
really
on like
that.
one flatbed.
No.
I didn't see y'all.